Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Civivi Brigand here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty inexpensive knife, around $90 from Civivi. It's made in China, it's a liner lock, the overall size is going to be 8 inches when open and 4.5 inches when closed, so very EDCable. The blade in this case, it's the Chinese Damascus, which I think it looks like more like Dama steel, but nonetheless, it has a 3.5-inch long Wharncliffe blade with a almost full flat grind, just a little bit of flat right over here. Nice wedge, nice jimping, very nice shape design. The sound this guy makes is just like this. It's nothing crazy, but it's pleasant. I like it when it closes more than when it opens. When it closes, it's very nice and it gives you like this sturdy feeling. I don't know how to explain, but when it opens, it's kind of like of Anonymous, like the other Civivi that I tried. They don't have like the distinctive sound that you can recognize it from far away. The weight is going to be 3.43 ounces in the pocket. Clip is the classic Civivi dip carry pocket clip, stainless steel, DLC coated. The grip is very good, I have to say. I like this finger groove right over here, but there's a little bit of hot spot brought in from the clip ramp right over here. I appreciate this little jimping going on over here and here because it's going to help you in deploying, in disengaging the liner lock. The speed is nice. It's not the fastest flipper ever, but I appreciate it because the action is overall smooth, running on bearings, and you know, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.